It's the 1st of March, and I thought, oh, I'll change the date on my watch, my Pagani design GMT. And I've got the GMT set for New York time, so it's 5 hours behind. And I thought, okay, I need to change the date, but can you see the issue? The GMT hand covers up the oculus. Is that what you call it? The oculus? The magnifier for the date. So I can't see what the date is. Well, not very easily anyway. Strangely, this is the first time I've actually noticed this. You'd think I'd notice it every time, but no, it's the first time I noticed it. Other than that, this watch has been absolutely superb. I can't fault it for the money. So I want to change it to the 1st of March. Let's move the GMT out of the way. Pull the crown out to 2nd position, which I always get wrong. You turn it one way for the GMT hand, the other way for the date. There we go, the 1st. To put the GMT hand back, wind it all the way round, back to the 5 position. Sorry, 6 position, because it's 6 in the morning. Because you look, the GMT hand points at the hour on the rotating bezel. So it's covering up the window again, which is correct for New York time. Screw the crown back in. Yeah, so that's that. Lovely bezel action. So just a very small issue. I don't know if the GMT hand does that on the Rolex. Maybe you comment in the comments to tell me, but who knows? Maybe it does. I doubt it. But on the Pagani, the little arrow hand will block out the date for an hour. So you won't know what day of the week it is for about an hour. Well, you could always check your phone, couldn't you? But anyway, that just made me giggle a little bit where I was trying to change the date to the 1st of March and I couldn't see the date window. Watch still going strong. I actually wear this as my daily. Check out my videos. There's an unboxing video of this and a video how to change the GMT hand. A bit of a lengthier video showing you how to do it quickly. Anyway, take care.